Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Yellow color, red color, brown color, green color, light green color and orange color. Now let's learn the alphabet A to Z. First A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Next B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. Next kids C. C for car. C for car. Next D. D for dolphin. D for dolphin. Next E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Next kids F. F for fish. F for fish. Next kids G. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. Next kids H. H for house. H for house. Next kids I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Next J. J for jam. J for jam. Next K. K for king. K for king. Next L. L for lion. L for lion. Next M. M for moon. M for moon. Next kids N. N for nest. N for nest. Next kids O. O for octopus. O for octopus. Next P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Next Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Next kids R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Next S. S for sun. S for sun. Next kids T. T for time. T for time. Next U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Next kids V. V for van. V for van. Next W. W for water. W for water. Next X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Next Y. Y for York. Y for York. Next Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. What we learn? We learn A for aeroplane, B for butterfly, C for car, D for dolphin, E for elephant, F for fish, G for giraffe, H for house, I for ice cream, J for jam, K for king, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for time, U for umbrella, V for van, W for water, X for X-ray, Y for York and Z for zoo. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.